Hi everyone, my name is Cora and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have something special to share with you and please stick with me and I will show you the most amazing bonuses that I prepared for you. Okay, so the product that I will introduce, the name is Engine Income Engine, okay, by Sean Joshua. This will be launched on June 18 and Income Engine, you create a self-running mega stores. These automated stores sell both virtual and physical products, okay, backed by a proven track record of success. And the best part, I will post that. I will post there. Before I will continue, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so that you will be notified for my next product review. And please click the like and leave your comment below and thank you so much for your time for watching this review of mine. Okay, so the best part of this income engine, the built-in traffic inside of income engine ensures that one thousands of free buyers are visiting your online store. Okay, so so that you will understand what I am talking about, this is my bonus page, and this is the demo page. Okay, so just click this button in the middle, and you can hear
Hello,
what's the demos
welcome
all
to
about.
Income Engine demo video. And right in
Yes.
this video, I'm going to show you how.
So I will just test for that it means it's working. And the most the thing one that I will show you is the bonus page that I prepare for you. So bonus number one, you can access in 7 minutes system. And bonus number two, you can accelerate your traffic with Bing. Bonus number three, you can build your first website in 3 easy steps. Bonus number four, you can access insurgency. And bonus number five, this is the special bonus. If you will take action today, you guaranteed to uh, access all the vendors' bonuses. So all the bonuses that I mentioned to you, these are all free. If you will grab your copy of this product that I represent to you, the income engine. Okay, so the benefits that the income engine will give you, this is a free traffic, works like a charm for newbies. This traffic loves to buy, works in any niche, 100% automated app, no extra expenses needed. And this is 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, so before I will go through, I will show you, we will go to the members area. So this is the dashboard of the members area. You have the total orders this month, total orders this week, total orders, today's orders, sales engine, sales revenue. So these are all uh, done for you guys. Just, this is ready for everything for you. So this you can have here the sales engine, sales history, you have the autoresponder, abandoned order, email swipes, the settings, the get started support. If you have any questions, um, you can go to this to the support, and they will answer everything you asked for them. Okay, so you have here also the bonuses. Okay, so other than that, we have here the pending orders, the ship orders, and the delivery. This is cool, right? Order statistic, customer's name, product, country, date, and payments. So yes, this is already set up for you guys. Okay, so let's go to the sales page. This is the sales page of Income Engine. Click 4 times equals activate your automated mega stores that makes us 265 birthdays passively. Okay. Sell anything you want from e-com products, software, affiliates offers, ebooks, webinars, drop shipping, local services, and more. So enable to watch this video, just click in the middle. Okay. What if you could have um, your very own automated mega stores like Shopify, eBay, or Amazon up and running in just 3 mouse clicks. Okay, so this is a pre-built in traffic. Send 1,000 of free buyers to your site at the press of a button. Completely automated sites, set them up once and forget about it. Free hosting included. Your sites will be preloaded with hot done for your products. No extra fees. Income Engine gives you everything you need. 100% never seen before technology, and perfect for total newbies who wants financial freedom. And Income Engine have free gifts. The first 80 buyers also get the ultimate traffic booster, which gets more hungry buyers on demand. Okay, so um, if you will take action today, yes, you can just pay $12.93 one time. You just click in this bar, and you will instantly access. Okay, rest free 30 days money back guarantee, as I mentioned. Okay, so hurry, price rises again in any minute. Okay, so grab your copy now and click the button here, and we'll see you in the inside. Okay, so these 100% automated mega stores. Store number one that I showed you while ago in the members area. Okay, so the total income engine when just 4 clicks. This is the click one, choose DFY products. You can choose everything you want to sell, and for six-figure products were made. Okay, so you have different choices. Click number two, publish your mega stores. Press the continue button to publish and save. Your mega store will give you a domain to use and host the site for you. Okay, click number three, connect your PayPal. Don't worry, this is super simple. All it takes is one click and hook up your PayPal account. This is so you can start getting paid. Step and click number four, activate the built-in traffic. Now, it's time to get people to visit your online mega store. Simply turn on the built-in traffic to begin receiving 1,000s of free buyers daily. Yes, you heard me, and beginners are getting real results with Income Engine. Everything was set up to you guys, so take action right now, and we will meet you inside. Okay, so again, this is a Sean Joshua. This is this is him. Okay, and he is a real person. Okay, so um, you can access in this sales page if you will take action. And I have here the income engine to the introduction or what is all about. And this is, I mentioned already, the three steps how to get in. It's really simple. And for just three clicks or four, you can access now in Income Engine. So grab your copy, click, and instantly have for 30 days money back guarantee. So before I will go further, I will show you the pricing, the price and upsells. Okay. So the front end income engine $17, the income engine unlimited $67, income engine DFY $97, the income engine high ticket $47, income engine drive is $67, passive income $47, multiple stream of income is $47, income engine traffic booster $67, and engine income engine reseller's license is $127. Okay, so that is our price and upsells. Okay, so this is Cora's Insane bonus bundle, and if you will click here in the click here to grab engine income engine, you will get in the inside and you can claim all the bonuses that I showed you. Okay, so this is the bonus number one. Once again, access 7 minute system. The bonus number two, accelerate your traffic with Bing. Bonus number three, you build your first website in 3 easy steps. Bonus number four, access insurgency. And bonus number five is the special bonus take action today that you can access all the vendors' bonuses. Click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Don't wait that our timer will become zero. Okay? So when you grab your copy, these bonuses will be delivered automatically. You can find the next to your purchase files this Warrior Plus. Just click here below, and for the Gvizo, just click here below, and you can um, access the affiliate bonuses that I showed you. So this is the end of my video reviews, and thank you for taking time to click and to watch my product reviews and bonuses. Once again, this is Cora Duazo, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the link below to get access in the inside. Okay, thank you so much. Have a beautiful day and see you for my next product review. Bye.